Hello folks, Marcelo Toys from TradeWiser with one more video analysis for you guys about Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. Well, before I start this analysis, I want to let you guys know to stick to this video. I have something new for you guys that I figured out yesterday, and I didn't even pay attention. It was always there. I just didn't pay attention. So I want to show this to you guys. This might be a trigger for the uptrend as soon as that happened. Okay, it's a possibility. Let's just keep our eyes on that. First of all, let's go here with the 4-hour chart. As you guys can see, we had a divergence with between price and a lot of important indicator as relative strength, stochastic, MACD, and volume wave, as well as price spread and money pressure. So as you guys can see, we did see prices going down. We did see a correction, and it seemed like it's still on course. It doesn't want to stop. So the first level that we were supposed to reach was Fibonacci 38.2% at 91.99. I'm sorry, 93.74. I mentioned that yesterday, and it did reach that level. The next, they almost did a minimum yesterday on. Actually, we're on the 4-hour chart. Actually, today it almost made a minimum on 50% Fibonacci at 9,200. And this little candle right here, it keeps on getting big, small, big, small. So let's see how this guy is going to develop during the day. So once again, keep a keen eye on the 4-hour chart. All right. As you can see, we have a lot of indicators still showing that we're going down. But look at this. We have the volume wave saying, I want to go up. We have the stochastic almost in the oversold zone, which means that he might want to revert the bottom. If that is true, we might see prices going up soon or later today. Let's keep eyes on this, okay? Let's jump to the other chart so we can see what we have on there. But before that, just want to let you guys know that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks. Remembering my disclaimer that says that my opinion is just my opinion, nothing more than my opinion. This is not a financial advisory. It's a educational analysis, okay? And at the end, if you understand Portuguese and you want to be part of the third masterclass online live next week, uh, there's a limit of availability of virtual chairs. So pick your chair and stick with us, all right? And start paying attention and knowing how to track down price movement. What I like to say to my students, we have to figure out a way to get the chicken. Sir, uh, uh, we have to be able to uh, try to hold the chicken and put it against the wall and pick it up and make a fried chicken. Otherwise, nothing to eat on dinner. Okay, coming back to now the 1-hour chart. As you guys can see right here, I did a downtrend purple channel. Let me get the pin here. Here you go. So I did a downtrend purple channel. Here we go. Let's see if prices are going to stick into it. I also did a bullish wedge, which has a reverse behavior. So or be a reversal output. So the prices were going down. It kept on going down inside the wedge, but that means that prices might go up after it goes out. So this is another chart we have to keep a keen eye on, because if prices break out this downtrend black line right here, we might have an opportunity to make some cash. Okay. And if that does happen, our target levels are 38.2% Fibonacci at 94.46. After that, we have a resistance on that point as well. If it overpasses this level, the next one is a 50% Fibonacci at 95.14. And on this level, we do not only have a resistance going on, but we also have the move 20 period moving average. So we have a, a conjunction of resistance things going on this 50% Fibonacci. So this would be our best guess for today if prices rebound and try to go up again. Okay, as you guys can see, we have a divergence going on between prices and MACD, which is a strong one. I love this one when it's with the histogram of the MACD and with the volume waves. Okay, so it looks like we might, even if it's just for a short period, we might see a rebound here, and we might get back to 94.46. Who knows? I would guess that a best guess is 95.14. This might be our target for today. Okay, because it can't. Bitcoin doesn't like to keep on going down forever. So we might see a rebound going on. Okay, going a little bit further, here we go on actually, let me go to the 30-minute chart. Here we go with the 30-minute chart. As you guys can see, a 30-minute chart it's a, very small move for the asset. So as you guys can see, it is with let me get the pin here. Okay, it is getting strength. Oh, let me fix it here. Okay, sorry. It is getting strength right here, and it doesn't look like it wants to develop a deeper negative volume wave, and soon we might see MACD signing by right now it's going between sell, neutral, and buy. So it's blinking right in front of you right now. So let's see how that's going to go on. We do have price spread going positive, moving towards the positive zone for a while now. So this means that we might see a price rebound, but considering that we are on a 30-minute chart, it can happen all the time. Okay, but it's signs that this might affect positively the 1 hour chart, and we have to keep our eyes on this breakout. What I want to show you guys today is this. We are on, before that, we are on the level of 49 of fear. Yesterday it was 52. So as you guys notice, we are going down because prices are going down. But they said that there was a 11-year-old address that moved 50 bitcoins from the wallet to another place. That was the reason why the market came down. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, let's consider that that's possible. That's the big reason. All right. But what I want to show you guys is this. This is something new. This is something brand new. I want to show you guys. I think you guys are gonna love it. Let me just get here the pen. All right, let me cut it to show you guys what I have. Take a look at this. This is a maximum history of the uh, fear and greed index. It started on February 1st, 2018, and we have the last one these coming days. As you guys can see right here, we had a peak on June 29th. After that, we just went down. But check this out. We can trace a downtrend line. Oh, that was bad. Let me just do it again. Sorry, folks. Let's do it again. We can trace right here a downtrend line. Check this out. This means, oh, again, I did it. This means that we have to keep our eyes right here. Once this price, this fear index breaks out going up, that means that we might be entering a new atmosphere. We might get starting to get more positive regarding Bitcoin move. I guess this fear of move, the Bitcoin going down, is totally related to the traditional stock market. Okay? So let's keep a keen eye on this chart here. This is totally new for me. It was always here and I didn't pay attention on that. So now I just brought to you a brand new tool for us to keep our eyes on. This is totally cool. I'm very I'm very enthusiastic with this chart right here. Okay, you guys? So keep your eyes on the greed and fear history maximum. You click on max and see the maximum, and let's see how this chart is gonna develop. All right. Okay, folks, let's go back here to the market. The market is red. The market is negative. So I'm seeing here that it didn't change for when I did the Portuguese version, analysis version. As you guys can see, the biggest stable coin we have, which is the Tether or USDT, it is showing that it's slightly negative. Why is that? Because people are moving from USDT to something else. I would say to the alts that are trying to recover a little bit compared to the fall that we had this early morning. So right now, this is what we have for the day, and it's not changing. So we're at almost 11 a.m. Brazil time, UTC -3, and this chart did not change a lot. So I think the atmosphere today is a negative for the Bitcoin. Going to the daily chart, we still have the Bitcoin running inside that upper channel, which is good. It is good. Okay. And we can come down to something like, we are on the daily chart, we can come down to something like 9,000 that it would be okay. It's a nice move. It wouldn't be affecting a lot. Wouldn't put risk on a deeper move. Right now, we can see that Bitcoin wants to go down. We just look at this chart. You guys can see that we have red bars on all indicators, almost all indicators. Okay, stochastic wants to go down. Relative strength is negative. The MACD, which is a hard guy to give a signal, he is giving negative, and the positive wave is fading. Not to mention spread price and money pressure. So I would say that today we are with a negative mood, and taking in consideration my Bollinger Blast operational strategy, if we keep seeing this Heikiashi Bollinger getting straight, let me just change here because I think it's on the daily chart on the left. Yeah, I want to put mid. Here we go. Change the color. If we see this Bollinger Band getting even more narrow and the short-term trend going down towards the midterm trend, we might see a Bollinger Blast situation going on, and this might mean a negative move, a huge drop, as we saw yesterday. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on this as well. Okay, folks, that's it for today. Thank you very much. And with the market going on with this negative move, and it's still going down. I just saw the bar going down there right now with this negative move, and with this whole scenario for us to pay attention on. Now it's showtime. Take care.